My name is Magali Roche. I'm the head of the European Business Development team, and my role is to talk to the client and understand their project, really understanding what they would like to achieve so we can propose them the best solution and make them happy about reaching their goals with their scientific project. I do have a PhD in molecular biology, and when I was doing my PhD, I had in mind that I would like to be a researcher, a scientist. After my PhD, I got a job in a small company, a startup that was doing biomarker discovery. And I started to be really in contact with the clients, explaining their project and what they would like to do and what they would like to achieve. And then I realized that finally, the lab was not the things that was interesting me the most, and I really enjoy talking to people, discovering new projects, discovering new people. And that's how I end up in business development. Here in the Lyon site, we do bioanalysis to help the company developing new drugs, new therapies, understand how the therapies are working, just like the mode of action, if these therapies are efficient, if they are safe. And we mostly do that here in Lyon using immunoassays technologies, so with all those machines you are seeing behind me, and flow cytometry. People we do help very directly are the biopharma, the small biotech, well, from the startup to the big pharmas who are developing new therapies, new drugs to help patients. So very directly the companies developing those therapies, and more indirectly, in the end, the people who are going to get those therapies. In fact, it's very diverse in terms of the project, but the common stuff is that they really want someone they can rely on to make sure that their samples are going to be analyzed in a proper way, and so the data that are going to be generated can be used with confidence to document the safety and the efficacy of their therapies. The good point in the company and the fact that we are global, we can definitely provide a lot of different services. In Lyon, the expertise is more around all that is related to immunoassays, so antigen antibodies reaction for now, but we are in the scope of maybe implementing new technologies. And with our site in the US, we can definitely provide a lot of other technologies that can support other modalities, other questions that cannot be supported here in Lyon. The equipment we have are mostly based on what we call immunoassay or ligand binding assays, and we have plenty of different technologies here in the lab. The idea behind that is that we should be able to answer different needs in terms of sensitivity, multiplexing, and that's definitely what we do with those LBAs. We also have flow cytometry technology to analyze more cell-based. The point is to have this diversity to make sure that we can just find the right solution. Customers, I would like first to thank them to trust us for the project, and that we do our best to make it happen in the right way and get them the good results they have. For the one who have not yet worked with us, I would say just try it, you will love it.